Okay guys, let's see how you can connect your phone to a projector without cables. So basically you're going to use a wireless connection, and I can connect an iPhone and also an Android device. I'm going to show you one by one here how it works, and I'm using this projector just right here. Okay, that's the brand, is an EvoPow projector, but it works also with different projectors as long as you have the feature available here inside, right? Let me just kill some lights here so you see better here in the dark with some quality. So there we go. Here's the iPhone, and I just need to come here to mirror my iPhone and select this option. There's a button here to mirror to the device that's available, but before in doing that I just need to come here to the projector, and using my remote control I come here to this option to cast a device, right? Here's for an iPhone, and I also have here the option for Miracast, which is for the Android devices. So let me just come here then to cast. Then I'm going to use my iPhone. Now it loads the app, and here have also the instructions on how to use it. You see here that you need to connect to the same network, basically your phone and your projector to the same network, and then you can use the mirror option, right? So if I come here again, here to the top, and I can mirror from here, you see that I have this projector available. So I just tap on it and wait for it to connect, and it's going to load my screen back there. There we go, basically working. Let me just put here so you see that works pretty fine. Okay, then I can just come back here to disconnect, just come here and stop mirroring. Super simple. Remember that you need to have your Wi-Fi here connected to the same router. See that I have my Wi-Fi -24. That's the same Wi-Fi that I have here for the projector. Let me just come here to the main screen. Then you see when I come to network, there we go. And here see that I have the same one connected, right? My Wi-Fi -24. So just be aware of that. You just need to connect to the same network, and then you can start using it. Now let's just use here the Miracast. There we go. Now with the Miracast, the projector is just waiting for the connection. So I come here to my phone, and here on the right side, I just scroll down and scroll down one more time just right here to see this menu. And if it's not here, it could be down here. See Smart View. That's the one. Just look for Smart View. Tap on it and wait for it to connect. You're gonna see the options available here. You see here a Roku TV and also a projector. I'm just select projector and wait for it to connect. It takes longer than the connection with the iPhone, but it works, right? You see Wi-Fi connected. See that's working back there. Super simple, right? There we go. As long as you have the option available on your projector for Miracast or Anycast or any way you can connect to the phones, it works. You see here, that's working now with this projector, right? Let me just show here one more time that I can just come and disconnect. Let's say you have a different phone. I'm just disconnecting from this one, and I'm using here an Android phone with an old Android version, right? So I just come here, and I also look for the same app. It's not available here. Then I have a second page that I just come here and I find Smart View. You see here that I have the option to connect to the projector. It also takes some time. See back there that's waiting for the connection, and it connects, right? And it's working as well. Super simple. That's the way you can connect your phones to your projector without using any cable, basically connecting wirelessly, right? Hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.